Each brush here features its own collection of VDM stamp brushes. Chisel 3D includes a selection of pre-modeled noses, mouths, eyes, and ears. These brushes work well with Sculptris Pro enabled. Chisel Creature offers creature-themed variations of the same, including scales, teeth, and horns. Chisel Organic offers variations of the previously mentioned items, including tongues, fur, beaks, and more. Chisel Rect contains a large, varied set of gear shapes for your next mechanical creation. Chisel Shapes contains a set of geometric forms to choose from. Easily split your stamps into sub-tools by storing the morph target before placing stamps. Next, press the Create Diff button here and undo your strokes. Lastly, append the newly generated mesh, and you're done.